Hola amigos! So in this video I have a pile of things that need a quick repair. In this video I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes, 3 ways to patch and repair things. This one is a very easy and quick fix. All you need is an iron patch. I got mine from the local grocery stores from the crafts section. So all you need to do is iron it on, and depending on the patch, 1 to 2 minutes, you're ready. For the next project you're gonna need a little bit of more time and patience. For this you want to start by selecting your material that you want to use for the patch. Here I'm cutting an old piece of jeans, I think. I decided to just cut 2 squares with rounded corners and attach them both at the same height. And then sew along. Now for the sewing, you'll need to crinkle up like one leg, one side, and make sure you're not catching any of the extra fabric. And to have it in place, I sew on an X. The next project is a little bit more complex as it requires more time and preparation. Here I'm measuring out how big of a patch I need, and ultimately I decided to rip open the seams and attach them within the seams. And I also decided that I want to give more body to the patch, so I cut more pieces. And even more pieces. You want to make sure that both sides are attached at the same height. Sewing it down right side to right side, and afterwards attaching the bottom part as well. Now that both sides were attached, it was time to put everything together in one layer again. To give it a finished look, I used an overlock machine, but if you don't have one, you can also use a simple zigzag stitch. That's it, amigos. Now they look like new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks!